I say no.
All right, still with us, former DOJ senior attorney, we have Tammy Allison here. Tammy, what do you think now that he's told this version of events and Amber's screaming her head off and calling Johnny names and yelling at him, "You coward," after the finger was cut off and he had to sneak and really get Johnny out of the area? What are your thoughts?
My thoughts are what led her to that, if in fact that testimony is true. And I think he's leaving out a very important piece of the story. He testified that he remembers Australia about his finger getting cut. And, you know, he doesn't remember what happened, but what he does remember is Amber screaming, berating him. But he does not talk about any of the evidence or anything that led up to Amber's reaction to why was she acting that way.
And I will say the other thing that underlies all of this testimony we've been watching are all of the accounts of the drug use, of the drinking. So his testimony also included, yeah, there was lots of booze, mushrooms, psychedelic mushrooms, all this floating around. And so when you have two individuals partaking of these things, certainly it's going to be hard to know exactly what happened there and what do they remember. We've heard from Johnny Depp. We expect to hear from Amber Heard. All right, we're going to take a break. When we come back, we'll take you back into the courtroom in this trial in Virginia. It is not worth missing any of it because it is something else to watch.
Made like no other.
Let's get you back to court. Continuing testimony from a bodyguard of Johnny Depp in this defamation trial. What else did he eyewitness after he testified about Johnny Depp's finger being cut off?
There was a mark in his face, and I didn't know what that was, so I never really put it down too much. But in the hospital, I took a photograph, and when I look at that photograph, I can see two injuries. When we're sitting in the car,
hold on, Mr. Khan.
Oh, okay. Objection to the extent he's going to be talking about what the mark is on his, since he didn't see what happened and he's not a doctor, so he can't describe what.
All right.
No, that's fine, Your Honor. We
can move on? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, next question.